Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I am excited to tell you guys about this Brazilian body wave hair that I got from Aliexpress. So at first I was a little skeptical about the hair just because the box was like beat up, like somebody just was like fighting with that box, you know, it was bashed up. But I'll show you guys like how the box looks and stuff. I was even like, oh my god, I don't know if I can show you guys, and I thought the hair was just gonna be a miss, like I was just gonna have to ship it back. But I was so happy to take it out of the box, and then when I washed it, I shampooed it, then conditioned it, and then I let it dry, and then I kind of like blow dried it, and then I got it looking like this by straightening it and so forth. I loved it after. So I can say the quality of the hair is really good because it took well to heat and washing, because sometimes like the hair will frizz up and get all crazy and big, and just like it will not straighten after you try to straighten it. So I will say that the quality of the hair is really good. It took a long time to ship out, which I did not like. It took about 2 weeks, so that was a big no. Just because I wanted the hair right away. I wanted it like in a week max, like 2 days, 3 days. So it took a while, but I wasn't in like a crazy rush, like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I don't have anything to wear. Like, I have my own hair, right? So what I did is I just went ahead and I waited the 2 or 2.5 weeks. It was coming from China, so it took a while to come. And then after that, I could say like the quality of the hair is like extremely soft. Like, it barely sheds, like you guys can see. It doesn't tangle much. Like, there was a little tangle, but that's because I probably didn't comb it yesterday or so forth. But there's like barely any tangle in the hair. And then you can see like the hair, the color. Oh my god, I love the color, because sometimes you'll get a blonde that's not really that nice. Like, it'll be like too orangey or something. But I love the color that they used. The color was amazing. So I have to say that I like the color, I like the softness, I love the fact that I'm not like shedding all over the house, like walking and then there's just hair everywhere. So I'm happy about that. Another thing that I love about the hair is the parting space. Now the parting space is amazing. You can see that. I hope you guys can see that. So the parting space is pretty good, and I just had to go and do a little bit of plucking, which was good because it was like you could wear the hair out of the box. Of course you should wash your hair before you wear it and stuff, but you could wear it out of the box if you're not really into plucking, you don't know how to pluck. You know, I used to be like that, like I don't know how to pluck, I don't know how to do any of those, I just want to wear it out the box. I don't have the hair like glued on, so it's probably not looking slayed, but if I had it glued on, it would probably be looking slayed. So I have it just, I kind of just put it on and then just use the elastic bands that they have in the back. But in the other video, make sure you guys check that other video out. I had it laid. I used the ball cap method, well, sort of. I don't like to put so much glue on my hair because I think it is detrimental to your hair. So I did it like semi, and then you guys can check it out and see how the video turned out. So overall, I would say the hair is a 4.5. I just take a little bit of points out just because the shipping was a little crazy with the 2 weeks. But if 2 weeks is perfectly normal for you guys should go ahead and get this hair because it is amazing and you'll wear it every day. It doesn't shed. It's easy to wear. You don't even have to pluck if you don't know how to pluck. So if you're looking for something you can just take out the box and put on your head, this is the hair.